there's something about being alone in the garage. The bike is up on the stand, the tools are laid out, and the world stays outside the door. It's quiet, in a way that most places aren't anymore. No meetings, no messages, no distractions, just you and the machine. And somewhere in that silence, something starts to shift. Not just in the bike, but in you. Fixing your bike is different than fixing most things. It's not rushed. It's not loud. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present. You start with one small job. Maybe it's adjusting the clutch cable. Maybe it's an oil change. Maybe it's just wiping away the grime and dirt from the last ride. Whatever it is, your hands know what to do. Your mind starts to slow. And for the first time in a long time, you're focused. Not distracted, not scattered, just here. We don't talk about it much, but wrenching on your own bike is therapy. It's not just about keeping your wheels on the road. It's about recalibrating your mind. Because when you're working on something physical, something real, you start working on something mental too. The tension in your chest loosens. The overthinking fades. All the pressure to do more gets replaced by a simple task. Tighten this bolt, check that line, breathe, and sometimes the bike talks back. Not in words, but in rhythm, in resistance, in the way a stubborn bolt finally gives, or in the way you realise halfway through the job that the thing you are really fixing wasn't the bike at all. It was you. I've had days where I've gone into the garage stressed, restless, angry, and I came out calm and grounded. Not because I found a solution, but because I gave myself the space to feel. That's what working on your bike gives you. It's not just maintenance, it's meditation. A socket wrench becomes a prayer bead. A drip tray becomes a confessional. And when the job's done, and when you step back, you feel lighter. Not just because the bike's ready to ride, but because you are. So maybe next time you feel off, before you reach for your phone, or the TV remote, or pour yourself a drink, go and step into the garage. Pick up a rag. Open your tool chest and start with one small job. As you might be surprised at what starts to come together. This is Tony. Thanks for tuning into Open Roads and Spoken Words. So until next time, ride well, breathe deep, and don't forget, sometimes the best repairs start with you.